Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be completing the engine bay. We have the airbox lid in carbon. We have a Dynon intake that we're going to be installing, and then I believe it's called a carbon class or class A, I'm not sure, but yeah, plenum for the car. So we're going to go ahead and continue the carbon fiber and start getting all this stuff taken off. I have a buddy heading over now that is going to be bringing all the parts that we need to install. Alright, airbox lid should be out. Got it all out. And then next up is the intake. We're gonna have to go ahead and get that out as well. Intake is out.
Okay, so we're gonna do that side.
This side has come off now. Alright, same thing, if you want to just grab that light.
Yeah, it's literally right here. Straight shot. You can see it from here. Right there. And it goes on so hard sometimes. I don't know why. Each car is so different. One thing might be easy on one car, and it's the exact same car. It might be, I don't know.
They do not make it roomy back there
No.
for you.
You need to take this off. You gotta remember the right screws to here. You gotta remember that these screws go then they go here. That's it. So you have to pop both sides off. Got it?
Yeah. Is there one on that side?
No.
Oh.
Okay.
Plenum is off. Alright, so intake is out, airbox is out, plenum is out. You guys can see all the individual throttle bodies. Crazy. So now we're gonna go ahead and start putting stuff back on the carbon plenum, carbon intake, and then carbon airbox lid. Alright, so we have all the pieces out now, so we're just gonna run through them real quick. Dynon elbow, and then we also have a Dynon intake somewhere. Carbon class, airbox lid cover, and carbon class plenum. Absolutely nuts. All of them are in full carbon. OEM right here, and then full carbon right there. It's gonna be absolutely nuts. We're currently just wiping down the engine bay and everything, but after that we're gonna go ahead and get installing for everything.
Which you already have?
Yeah, I already have.
That's fine.
We're gonna start it without the plenum or
Yeah.
intake or anything.
Okay. Do you want to record it?
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay.
Yeah.
A little bit. So yeah, they're crazy, right? See it? That's how it's gonna sound.
Jesus Christ.
Get it on the floor.
Alright.
Before. We'll go that side.
Okay. Yeah, you want to hold that. All right.
Not too hard. It's fine. It's fine.
I didn't realize you did that soft. Yeah. I think.
It's supposed to go underneath like that. How's that? With it underneath?
Yeah, this should be.
Yeah. Press here. And this here. Yeah.
Take the. Where's that flashlight?
Okay. That looks good. Just 2 clips here.
Yeah, there's one guy.
Yeah.
Remember we saw him at the car show.
Yeah, car but you have to tune for that. But
Yeah.
you lose like 20 horsepower.
Yeah.
Which on the NA car it's a lot. Just wait for it to warm up. Let it warm. Yeah. You don't want to rev too much when it's cold.
You're probably gonna get a lot more engine noise with this.
Oh yeah, no,
that's what it's for.
It's like I think it's a 70% increase in engine noise. It was insane.
Yeah,
It was
that's,
something nuts.
that's so sick.
The finish on it's crazy, right?
Yeah, this
It looks like it just came out the clear.
Yeah, that's.
It should be good.
And then
Can we turn around that clamp? Can we turn it on that side so they're both facing the same way? Because that's
So-
how the OEM one was.
It has to be this way on the dining instructions for some
Oh,
reason.
really?
These two face up here. I'll show you.
okay, no, that's fine. I believe it. Are they 6mm like the other ones or no?
I just used that.
You got it on?
I'm pretty sure my camera's gonna die in like 2 seconds.
Okay. This box here.
Oh.
That's right. There's a mission.
This is a mission?
Oh man.
You saw the screws?
I threw them away. Wasn't seated right.
I need to put that.
Yeah, you have the screws for that?
Yeah. Where? Oh, yeah. This one. Alright, so we are back on the second day of transforming the engine, and basically let's just go through a quick run through of what exactly we installed. I don't think I really talked that much during that video, but yeah, so currently in the engine bay right here we have a carbon class airbox lid, carbon class plenum, Dynon intake, and then Technocraft engine cover over here, as well as the Mashimaro headlight dust covers, and then Downstar kit all around. The plenum one's actually not that bad to install. Same thing with the airbox lid. The Dynon intake kind of didn't want to fit under the lid, but we kind of like pushed it around, I guess, and got it to fit pretty good. So that is a plus. I'm gonna go ahead and put some clips of the plenum and like how you can hear that, and also the intake and all that stuff. This piece that was right here, the snorkel, is currently being refinished because the clear on it wasn't as good as everything else, and you could tell it wasn't as good. So yeah, that is basically everything we did. There is one more part that we're going to be doing in the engine bay series. That's gonna add just a little bit more spice to the engine bay. And then the engine is done, and we're gonna move on to suspension and interior of the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those clips in right now. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys later.